In this video, I want to show you how to fully reset your Canon PIXMA TS4320. So before making this video, I was searching to see how you should do it since this printer doesn't have a display. It's a bit harder than usual. And what I'll show you next was taken from the official Canon website. So by the way, I'll just demonstrate in a few seconds how to do it, but let's take a look what they say. So first of all, make sure that the printer is turned on. Perfect. It's turned on. I see some lights over there. Press and hold the stop button and release it when the alarm lamp flashes 60 times. So all the printer settings are initialized. Okay, perfect. So let me demonstrate. The alarm light is this one over here. It's the first one. So it's important to lift your finger after it flashes 16 times. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 14, 15, 16, and I lift my finger after 16. At this point, you just have to wait. I have done it in the past, and what you need to know is that wait at least 3 to 4 minutes. The printer will make some noises, and usually after 3-4 minutes, everything will be resetted. So yeah, let me come back in 3 minutes just so you get an idea. All right. So at the end, you should see the power button light turned on and also the pairing button light turned on. The Wi-Fi will be turned off since the printer is resetted and it's not currently connected to any Wi-Fi networks. So this is about it. If this was helpful, leave a like, but also comment down below. Tell me it worked. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.